Hi, my name is Chris Salem. I'm a business acceleration strategist, professional keynote speaker, and a business executive coach with sustainable success, coaching, and consulting. I'm so happy that you're here doing your due diligence. As a business owner, we understand that things are not always easy, whether if we're just starting out, whether if we are maybe 5 years into our business and we're looking to take it to another level, or perhaps we've been in business for a while, but we've reached a level of stagnation where we haven't gotten to that next level because we've been stagnant. But what if your business numbers told you a different story? A story of compounding growth and accelerated profits. Well, I'm excited to share with you that the Business Academy e-learning program that we offer is a do-it-yourself program, Business Academy, that shares each week for 52 weeks easy to implement, cost-effective strategies to increase your leads and revenue through higher conversion rates and become more profitable by cutting costs. All of these strategies can be done for your business without any increase in advertising or a marketing budget. This is like an MBA on steroids, but a fraction of the investment, and it comes from real experience. I'm so happy to be putting out this program. And again, each week you're going to get videos, resources, and insights, including all the collateral necessary to take your business to a next level. We hope to see you there.